Hi everyone, and welcome back to Flows with Chris. Today we're again diving into the world of AI-powered content creation with our new flow, Advanced Blog Generation. This flow is designed to take your blog content to the next level by automating the entire process from topic research to the final publication. Many AI tools claim to simplify content creation, but they often fall short. But this flow is different. It leverages a team of specialized AI agents to create high-quality, optimized blog posts that are both informative and engaging. So let's dive straight into FlowHunt. Okay, so here we are on the Advanced Blog Generation. This is one of our blogs here, and let me introduce you to the AI agents. Let's meet our AI team. So the first one here you can see is the SEO Brief Generator. This agent analyzes your topic and your keywords, and it creates a comprehensive SEO brief, including structural suggestions and recommended keywords. And you can see this copywriter agent here, the second one. This is based on the search engine optimization brief, and this agent drafts the blog content, and it ensures it's informative, engaging, and optimized for search engines. And the human agent, this humanizer agent, this adds the personal touch. This makes sure that it's being proofread, it's refining the content, it's improving readability, tone, and overall quality. So this is the humanizer element. Okay, so here we are in my flows, and I can have a look quickly at my advanced blog generation down here. So let's go in and we'll use the editor to have a look at this one. And you can see straight away, I've got my flow worked out here, and here are my three agents. So the first agent, as I mentioned to you already, here we go. Let's have a look at the role. This is the SEO content brief writer. So my proper search engine optimizer, and it's the search engine optimization expert content brief writer. And if you look at the second agent here, you can see that this second agent is the expert copywriter. So this is the copywriting agent. And then the third one, if we just move over to here on the side, we've got our third agent. And this agent, if I look at the role, is the content humanizer. So this is the one that makes it all seem much more human. Okay, so what we can do simply now is you can see the flow here. It starts with the chat input. We've got our prompts. We've got our sequential tasks, which are attached to the agents. And we have our sequential crew, which makes sure that the output is correct. And over here, what we can do just quickly is we can click on our chatbot, and let's just make sure that the flows are saved up there. Here we go. And what we can do is let's put in now one word. So this could be just a desired blog topic. It could be target keywords or any specific instructions. So one of my customers said to me this week, let's test the word bacon. I said, fine, okay, that's an interesting one. So let's put bacon. Let's put types of bacon. So let's put types of bacon in there as well. And we can put like cooking techniques perhaps or something like that. So let's put cooking techniques in there as well. And let's have a look, because what we can do is we can send that off now. Okay, so using this flow is simple. You can see I've just put in my desired blog topic, target keywords, and if I had some specific instructions, I can put in also. And our AI agents will work now together to create this tailored blog post to meet the exact requirements. First of all, it's thinking now, it's looking at what it should do, and then it will contact the URLs that it will find on Google search engine to see what types of blog content it will pull together. Here we go. So we've already got that. And you can see that the sources it's used, the best way to cook bacon. We've got bacon method, Benjamin's guide to making perfect crispy bacon, how to cook bacon in 5 different ways. And so straight away, we've got this original content blog. So this is all nicely written for us. The ultimate guide to bacon, types of cooking, techniques, tips for perfect crispy bacon. Bacon isn't just for breakfast anymore. Types of bacon, cooking techniques for bacon, tips for crispy bacon, perfect crispy bacon, bacon recipes to try at home. And then, of course, we've got our conclusion. And quite often with the conclusion, I'd probably rename that here. But look, you can see straight away, we just copy that off. We can take it to our AI content detector. So let's check out here, and we'll pop this in now, analyze the text, and check out what that is. That's 88% human-generated content. Really good. So a little bit of tweaking, and we'll have it over 90%. That's perfect. So that's it for today. Stay tuned for more exciting flows and AI-powered solutions. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me next time with more Flows with Chris. Thanks for watching.